Okay, another safety minute from Martin Safety Solutions. Today we're going to be talking about OSHA citations and penalties. What are those? How much are they? Uh, well, there's different levels that OSHA has. When the inspector comes out, he takes notes, he documents everything, he may take photographs and so forth. One of the levels is de minimis. De minimis citation typically is verbal, or if it were to be written, there's no monetary citation to it. An example of that would be OSHA sees a ladder and the gap between the steps would be 13 inches as opposed to OSHA's required 12 inches. Or it could be a de minimis citation, could be something omitted or in your written safety program for something, one little thing. Yes, they're going to document that and they expect you to correct it. However, normally de minimis has no monetary value. And then we start moving on up into other than serious. Other than serious can be $1,600 up to $16,000 and a little change. A few years ago in one of our administrations in Washington, they changed the rules. So now all your citations go up a little bit each year. So this year, a serious citation, other than serious citation, is $1,600, as little as $1,600, up to $16,000, and then we move on up to serious citations. These are $16,000 and a little bit of change on up. And then we come into willful citations. Now, the definition of a willful is the employer knew or should have known. And an example of a willful, which is a much more serious citation, would be something along the lines of the employer chained the doors shut with the exception of only one exit in the building, because he was afraid employees would steal something or go out and take a smoking break out another door, so he chained them shut. Everybody knew it. The management knew it. So the management knew or should have known. That's the definition of a willful. And those citations are $161,000 and change on up. So there's other than serious. It's all over the map how much those can be. Repeat violations, again, that's determined by OSHA, but they can be $161,000. So it's safe to say, staying in the good graces of OSHA, keeping your facility audited and safe for your employees is the best thing that you can do. This has been another Safety Minute from Martin Safety Solutions. Be safe out there.